Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. A 2004 Nissan Titan. We're doing some control arms, some upper control arms. Alright, this is the driver's side. Bolt right there, nut right over here behind this little panel. Nut right here, bolt right here, castle nut right here. To get to this one back in the back, 19mm holds the nut right here, so you need a wrench to hold it, and then a 17mm bolt back here. I took these two 10s for the brake lines, moved the brake lines out of the way. I was able to get a short 1/2-inch socket on the 17 in order to be able to break it loose. It's really the only way you're going to be able to get to it back there, because that thing's in there stupid tight. The one on this side, a little bit easier. Got everything up top. Took the air filter housing, and there it all is right there. So that one's a whole lot easier. And then castle nut, take it off, big hammer, pop it off, bam, that's done with that. That's pretty simple. So the other side is going to be roughly the same, except for I'm going to have to get everything underneath on both sides, because I don't think there's a way to get anything from up top, but I'll double check. Please like and subscribe. Alright, this is the driver's side control arm. Same setup. Take out that bolt right there, move the brake line out of the way, get your 17 there, 19 back behind this little splash shield. Very flexible. Same thing there, 17 there, 19 over here. I had to use my big breaker bar in order to get that one loose, because that one was stupid. But other than that, got them in, got them done. Do not believe you're gonna need an alignment for this when you're done, because it's a caster and camber type issue, not a tow with tie rods. Please stay tuned. Gonna have doing the headlights on this, so next video will be the headlights. Please like and subscribe.